Welcome! If you're looking to remove your university from your Facebook profile using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. Maybe you've graduated, transferred, or simply want to keep your education details private. Whatever the reason, today I'll walk you through every step so you can quickly and easily delete your university from Facebook. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your computer. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Next, you'll want to access your account details. On your profile, find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal information is stored, including your education history. Now look for the Work and Education tab on the left side menu. Click on it to see a list of your current and past workplaces and schools. Scroll down until you find your university listed among your education entries. To the right of your university's name, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see the option to Delete School/University. Go ahead and select this option. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to remove the university from your profile. Double-check that you've selected the right entry, then click to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your university will be deleted from your Facebook profile. This update makes it easier than ever to manage your personal information and keep your profile up to date. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.